Did you know this mind-blowing discovery? Archaeologists exploring historic battlefields have uncovered not just relics of the past, but nature's own secrets. Fun fact, on old battle sites, rare plant species have thrived, untouched by farming, creating hidden botanical havens. Mind-blowing discovery. Some wartime trenches became unexpected homes for unique insects and amphibians, protected by the very chaos that once raged above. It's wild to think that places marked by conflict now nurture rare life. What other surprises could history be hiding?